This is a ThunderBolt. This is where it works. That's a Hero 10 in a Media Mod case. And you can see this screw is large enough to stick out past the end of the case so you can get a good grip on it and turn it very tight. Lock that up very tight. This is a full metal mount kit right here. Metal handle, metal connector, big solid stainless steel screw. Here's what it looks like. That's a one-piece sculpted stainless steel screw with an aggressive knurl, contoured side. That's a big screw, but it's not real heavy. Feels good in your hand. So that's the ThunderBolt. This is our regular one-piece stainless steel action camera screw. This is a standard GoPro screw. It's actually smaller than this screw. It's way smaller than the ThunderBolt. And then we have a mini screw. This screw, all these screws are sculpted on the top. This one has a cross-drilled hole. You can put an Allen wrench through there and crank that really tight. And then these are other screws in our family of screws. This is a big thumb nut. We do a lot of kind of custom one-piece fasteners like this. This is a cool little sculpted nut that fits on all this stuff. This is 1/4 20. This is a big long 1/4 20 screw that you can cut to length with a matching nut. It's just the screws on my desk. So that's the ThunderBolt. This screw has a history. These are screws with character. 1,000-year screws. Thanks for watching.